All right, guys, today we're going to have a little bit of fun, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a t-shirt. Okay, a couple of ways. If you go back, I'm going to put a card for it to my last video on trends. You will know that right about now the Old English font is very, very popular in t-shirts right now, especially with like an Old English letter on the front and a big graphic, Old English graphic on the back. All right, so we're going to make a version of that, or well, kind of, sort of. So let's go. Let's get over here to one of my favorite programs, Adobe Illustrator. All right, and I'm just going to show you a couple of things. Now, we're going to do something similar to this. But let's go over here and we're going to have a combination. I really like, this is Billionaire Boys Club, and they have this one with this army man here. And, just putting the whole photographic look with some graphics. I like that. So we're going to kind of make a combination, right? So what I'm going to do is since army is about war and stuff, I'm just going to do a graphic, and let me show you something. I'm going to use the ellipse tool. But first of all, let's go over here and let's pull one of these over. Let's pull one of these over like this one. Let's pull this over. There we go. So we're going to kind of do a version of that. So we're going to move this off to the side, and you can see it's got like this whole little arcing thing. So let's make a semicircle, something like that. And let's give that a little bit of an outline. Okay, so what we're going to do right here, we're just going to take this and kind of shape it into this line right here, real quick. There's a few ways that you can do it. I'm just going to do it this way. I'll put two lines right there, and then we're going to take this and we're going to go to our Pathfinder, which is somewhere over here, making one shape, and we're almost done just like that. And we're going to go right here, use our type on the path tool. We're going to go right here, and something already came, but we're going to take that away. And we're going to start typing, and I'm going to write to the victors go the spoils, something like that. And I'll probably put the war on the bottom. We're going to go over here to type. We're going to make that bigger. Select all this because I want to change that font. Now we're going to go to something like Beckett. Will you look at that? Now, this is the deal. If you are a designer, this is all great. But some of you guys are looking and you're like, I'm not a designer, and I want to do something, really cool like this because it's trendy and it's popping, and you can see where I'm going with this. But let me show you a service for you guys who are not designers. You don't want to learn this. You are t-shirt entrepreneurs, you're businessmen, and you know the power of hiring people. Now, of course, if you can do this, then you can do it. But if you can't, you don't be handicapped, and don't think that you need to have all this artistic talent and know how to do this and that and put stuff in arcs and go around. There's people who will do all of this for you. Let me show you the awesome service that DesignCrowd offers. Okay, once again, DesignCrowd, fantastic service, and we are going to make a really cool t-shirt. So we're going to go down here to t-shirt design. How awesome is that? And we're gonna go to get started now. You're gonna name our project Army Man T-shirt. Okay, please see PD. Ooh. Please see PDF design brief for details. All right. And I have our design brief right over here. Somewhere. Okay, here it is. We'll give them the PDF. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so I just wanted to show you the design brief. All right, pretty much what I did was I took that shirt and I just told them what I want to do. I say, hey, right to the victors belong the spoils, and I put the spoils of war on the bottom. And I said right here to replace the Army man with one of these Army guys down here, and I kind of use this as reference. And it's just that simple. This is the best way to get the best results, is to show them you know, what you want. And I also added some fonts. I went to defont.com and I added some fonts, and I said use these fonts, just so you know, when you tell them what font, you know exactly what you're getting. So that's it. Back to the video. And also, I want to give them the fonts. A couple versions here. I'll just throw them all in here. And this way, you don't have any mix up. Oh, I don't like the font. You got to go back and forth. Give them the font that you want. I mean, oh, hold on, Germanica family. Makes all the difference in the world. Ooh. Ah. Yeah. So that's that. I gave them everything. We're going to hit continue. One of 3 designs is fine. Continue. And you go and you make your payment and it's all good. So let's see what we get in a couple of days. Okay, let's see what we got. You know, if you've been watching me for a while, you know the drill. The reason why I push this so much is because it's a dynamite service and not everyone is a designer. So let's go to my projects and we have 28 designs. Ooh wee. So oh boy. So let's click here. And well, would you look at that? Is that trend right, or is that trend right? And when you see this stuff, you have to look at it from the point of view of being on trend. Okay, if people want pink, then they want pink. If people want red, then they want red. You know, you understand what I'm saying? If people want shirts with stars on them, then that's what they want. You know, and there's a saying, the song by the OJs goes, got to give the people what they want. You give in business, you give people what they want, not what you think they should have. All right. Some of these are in black and white. Some of these are really, really cool. Wish that the Army man was in green, but I can always go back and tell them that. Okay, so I'm going through, and which one do you guys like? I'm going to actually put a poll in the description box and tell me which one you guys like. Very simple, very to the point, and that's it. So take a look and let me know. All right, until next time, I'm gonna see you guys later.